Right, welcome to my channel, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we have issues 29 and 30 of Build the Iron Man Mark III from Fanhome. Today we start on the left knee joint. Now we've completed both arms, and then we can have a look at what's in the magazines. Issue 30 is the movie special, so that'll be all about Avengers Assemble from 2012 and Loki and the Chitauri. But anyway, besides all that, let's get on with this build. Okay, so here we have issue 29 parts. Let's get them out of the bag. Not a great lot to this. We have the cover of the left knee joint, the left knee keyring, and LM screws. And basically this piece, make sure you put it the right way up, goes here like so, and it's screwed into place. With 2 LM screws. We've only got 3 of these, so like I said, not a fantastic lot to do. Let's pop that one down while I get the other one. I think we'll put a little bit of oil on these. Set that one back out, pop a little bit of oil on it, and there we go. That is it. That is what we have to do in that issue. Yep. Nice bit of metalwork and paint, but just a gearing, a couple of screws. Bob's your uncle. That is that. Issue 29 complete. Okay, so now we've got that completed. There we go. Not a great lot to it really. We can have a look at what's in the magazine. First page, the history of Iron Man, annual 1998, the seed of civil war. In 1998, Captain America and Iron Man had a bitter quarrel. It highlighted the tension and ethical differences between them that would ultimately lead to the superhero civil war. Iron Man and Captain America have a complex relationship, although in general it can be said that they are close friends, certainly more than just companions in the Avengers. That goes on for 3 pages, sorry, and then we've got the instructions, and then page 8 in the comics, the Maria Stark Foundation, the responsible legacy. When Tony Stark's parents passed away, Tony founded a non-profit charity to honour the memory of his mother. The Maria Stark Foundation has been financing humanitarian projects ever since. Despite the fact that Iron Man made his debut in 1963, in terms of suspense it would be logical to assume that the Maria Stark Foundation was up and running at the time, but in fact its first appearance came almost 20 years later. That is quite a few pages long. And then on the back, or near the back, page 12, the armour, Iron Secretary Armour, the best defence. In the Iron Man series in late 2003, in a story by John J. Miller, Tony Stark went from a billionaire businessman to a servant of the people, becoming the Secretary of Defence in the American government. In the Invincible Iron Man Volume 3, number 73, Tony Stark accepted the position of United States Secretary of Defence in George W. Bush's administration. That's a couple of pages long. And in the next issue we got the barrel left joint part 2. Excellent. So let's get on with issue 30. Okay, so issue 30. Let's get the parts out of the bag. Again, not a great lot to do, just a couple of annoying little stickers. See, let me get them out. here we have the left knee lower joint, which is metal spring, the ring for left knee mechanism, and a washer. And here we also have some stickers. Get that right. There we go. Now, first of all, it wants us to take the part from 29 on these to one side, and wants us to place this gear ring on top of the previous one like that, in that position. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then we pop the spring on top like that. They don't actually fix in place, and then we need to take the backing off these. Now, this washer on the flat side, we've got two, there we go, two stickers that we need to peel the backing tape off.
Sometimes you gotta run before you can walk.
Sir, the telephone. I'm afraid my protocols are being overridden.
Guys, I'm bringing the party to you.
That terminal. Let's get my... And basically we just pop the washer in the centre there, and it sticks down. In the middle there, like that. And basically this will go over there like so, and like that, but we don't do anything with it in this issue. And I clamp that down like that. That is it. That is issue 30 complete. Right, well, not a fantastic lot to do. Let's have a look at the magazine. A legendary gathering of heroes at the cinema. This is the movie special. The day came when Earth's mightiest heroes had to assemble to face a threat that they could not vanquish separately. At the time had come for Marvel's The Avengers. This is all about 2012 in New York and Loki. This goes on for 5 pages, and then at the back we have Avengers Assemble, return to the heroic age. Each of them at different times, angry, missing, estranged, and even briefly dead, the 3 greatest Avengers, Captain America, Thor and Iron Man, had been separated for years. Then at last the cry came again, Avengers Assemble. And that is 4 pages long. And then in the next issue, Build the Left Knee Joint 3, Part 3, Ultron Unlimited. Excellent stuff. Well, that's it for another month. Not a fantastic lot to do, I've already said. Well, at least these parts are heavy and they're metal. Them ring joints sit well together, so they're not going to really come apart once it's all in place and fixed. Anyway, if you did enjoy that, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my future videos. Have a look at my past videos. I do try to keep them as interesting as possible, especially with these really short ones with the Iron Man. If you do like me reading out the contents of the magazine, please leave a comment and let me know. Anyway, until I see you in the future, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You have reached the life model decoy of Tony Stark. Please leave a message.